Good morning, friends. How's everybody doing today?
Good.
Good. That's good to hear. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a number talk, and a number talk is a mental math strategy. So we're going to be using our thinkers. Let's turn our thinkers on, and we're going to think about how to solve these equations today. And I want you guys to challenge yourself to think about how to solve them in different ways. So we're not going to just solve them in one way, okay? We're going to think about different ways. So whenever you have one way, put your thumb up to your chest. And if you have another way, you can put out another finger and even another finger. If you figure out 3 ways, okay? So let's begin by this problem. Can everyone see that?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, great. Allie, can you go ahead and solve this problem for me? And I'm gonna write your name so we know it's you.
Should I tell you how I get the answer?
Yes.
Okay. Well, the answer is 24.
Okay.
And I got that by adding 19 plus 1 to make 20, which is a friendly number. And then I do 5 minus 1, and that gets 4. And then I do 20 plus 4 to get 24.
That's great. So I noticed that you added 1 to 19 and then you subtracted 1 from 5. Why did you do that? What made you add and then subtract?
Because if you add 1, you have to take 1 away from it.
Great job. Okay. So did anybody solve that differently? Alyssa, how did you solve this?
I did 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then 19 minus 5 equals 14.
Okay.
And then 10 plus 14 is 24.
Okay. So it looks like you and Allie got the same answer.
Mm-hmm.
And in an addition problem, what we call the answer, does anyone remember what that is? The sum. So you both got the same exact sum, but you use different strategies. So this is a good example of how we can use different strategies to get the sum. And if you noticed earlier, Allie said she added 1 to get a friendly number of 20.
Mm-hmm.
You did the same thing over here whenever you add 5 plus 5 equals 10. You got a friendly number. Great job, guys. So let's look at the next equation. Let's do it right here. All right. Elizabeth, can you tell me what you got as your answer for 39 plus 15?
54.
54. Okay, and how did you get 54?
I added 39 with 1 and got 40.
Okay.
And then I took 15 and subtracted 1 and got 14. And then added 40 plus 14 and got 54.
And you got 54. Okay. And Alyssa, do you agree with Elizabeth's thinking?
Yes.
Yeah, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you agree?
Because she subtracted 1, or added 1 to make a friendly number,
Uh-huh.
and then subtracted 1, and then added those 2 together.
Great job. Okay, and did anybody else use a different strategy in solving this problem? I'm gonna write Elizabeth because this was Elizabeth's strategy. Allie.
Okay, well you can add 5 to 15 to make a friendly number of 20.
Okay.
And then you can subtract 5 from 39 to get 34. And then if you add those 2 together, you get 54.
Okay. And can you use your vocabulary word? What is 54?
The sum.
The sum. Okay, so the sum is 54, and we got the same answer using 2 different strategies, so that's really cool. All right, this is our third problem, and it's a little bit bigger. So go ahead and put your thumbs up to your chest. Alyssa, how did you solve this problem? Can you tell me what you got?
I I did 42 minus 2 to get a friendly number, which is 40.
Okay.
And then I did 29 plus 2 to get 31. Then I added 40 plus 31 to get 71.
Okay. Does everyone agree with Alyssa? If you do, go ahead and do a hangs loose signal. Great. Did anyone solve this differently? Elizabeth, how did you solve this?
I added 29 plus 1 and got
Okay.
30. Then I subtracted 1 from 42 and got 41.
Okay.
And added 30 plus 41 and got the sum of 71.
Ooh, good job using your vocab words. Sum of 71. Did everybody hear Elizabeth? Loud and proud. 71 is the sum. Okay, and I love that you guys are saying that you found a friendly number. So another way that we can remember our friendly numbers is benchmark numbers. That's the term that we are calling any number that ends in 0. Can everyone say benchmark numbers?
Benchmark
Benchmark
numbers.
Good job. And that's the same thing as making a friendly number. Okay, this is gonna be our last problem, okay guys? And this one's pretty tough, pretty big. So take some time to look at this and solve. Okay, Allie?
Okay. So I added 2 to 38
Okay.
to get 40. And then I minus 2 from 26 to get 24. And then I added those two together to get 64.
Okay. Did anybody have trouble with that problem? Okay, Allie, can you help your friend Alyssa turn and talk with her and, just explain a little bit more how you got this since those were such big numbers?
Well, I knew I had to get 38 to a friendly number, so I added 2. And then since I added 2, I had to subtract 2 from 26 to get 24. And I added those two together to get 64.
Makes sense.
Okay, Alyssa, so did you revise your thinking a bit after Allie explained that to you?
Yes.
Okay, and Elizabeth, can you repeat what Allie just said, how she solved this problem?
38 plus 2
Okay.
equals 40. And then 26 minus 2 equals 24. And then if you add the two sums of those, you
Ooh,
get 64.
two sums. Love that. Love those vocab words. Okay, Allie, do you agree that this is how you solve the problem, Elizabeth?
Mhm.
Elizabeth portrayed it well? All right. So, what did we learn today, guys?
Benchmark numbers are the same things as friendly numbers.
Okay, and we can also use our friendly numbers to get to the solution a bit easier than counting on our fingers and just getting a little bit confused. So, and I also want us to think about something. Whenever we broke apart these numbers, so we broke apart 42, right?
Yes.
In a second solution. So we said 42 minus 2 equals 40. So we took this 42 and we broke it down. Does anyone remember what that is called? Decomposing. So we decomposed today, and you guys did a great job of that. And sometimes you don't know that you're decomposing just because you can have so much fun doing math. And we learned friendly numbers, benchmark numbers, and we did a great job today. Everyone give yourself a pat on the back and kiss your brains. Great job.